If you are a nail polish lover like me, you are in for a treat because today I'm swatching all of my Nykaa nail polishes. Whether you're looking for a perfect everyday nude, or a statement red for a special night, or a dark moody vibe, I've got you covered. So grab your favorite drink, sit back and let's get started. I hope you enjoyed a little tour of my collection and maybe even found your next favorite shade. Let me know in the comments which colors stole your heart. If you find this video useful, then do share it with your friends and family who are into nail polishes. Until next time, take care.